A lot of people think that going viral on YouTube is just luck. But in this video, I want to dispel that myth, and I'm going to show you how you can put going viral on YouTube into your control. You see, it's not an accident that I've uploaded over 100 plus videos with over 1 million views each, and over a dozen with over 10 million views each. Now, in the last video in this series, I went over how to actually generate content using AI, but once you've got the videos, how can you make sure that they actually get views? And in the videos before that video, I showed you what faceless AI YouTube channels are, and I gave you 27 of the best niches to do this in. And if you've done all of that correctly, now you've got the videos, how can you make them go viral? Well, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the secrets, and in order to get the absolute most from this video, we're gonna be using an AI tool called TubeMagic, and you're gonna need that to follow along with what I'm gonna be showing you throughout this video series. And if you haven't already got your 1-week trial to TubeMagic for only $1, make sure to click the link down below, sign up for it, and then you can follow along with what I'm showing you with it. Now, these are literally the top secrets that I've been using for years to go viral on YouTube, and now you can automate some of these secrets using AI. This is how you can truly go viral on YouTube. And the secret for going viral on YouTube starts with something I like to call CMA. That stands for correct metadata automation. This has been one of my top secrets to ensure that new channels that I start have the potential of going viral as soon as possible. Now you might be asking, Matt, what is metadata? Well, metadata is the information that tells YouTube what your channel and your videos are about. This includes your titles, descriptions, and tags. And this is the most important, especially at the very beginning of your channel. And I'm gonna be revealing to you a secret that you can put people in what I like to call viewer feedback loops, where somebody watches one of your videos and another and another. And this in turn will multiply the amount of views that you get by a ton. But first things first, in order to make sure that this works, we need to make sure that our channel is focused around a single topic. Now, I already went over the best niches to make money on YouTube using AI in video number 2 in this series. And if you don't already have a great niche, and any of those niches that I went over in that video are amazing, by the way, then make sure to go watch that first so you are going into this with an amazing niche. But what should your exact videos be about? Well, it's incredibly important that we implement something called the DGF, which stands for the don't guess formula. And the best way to practically do this is to model what's already working on YouTube. If we've already chosen an amazing niche, we don't have to go reinvent the wheel and guess what's going to work. Let's simply model what has already worked, but make it better. And the way that we can do that practically is by using the video research tool within TubeMagic, search a keyword related to your channel, and then you can sort the results by views within the past month, and you can find the top viewed videos to model for your channel. And then we're gonna wanna make a list of 30 video ideas from those sources. After you have those 30 video ideas, then it's time to generate those first 30 videos. And you can do that using what I taught you in video number 3 in this series on how to actually generate videos using AI. So now let's say you have some videos that are ready to upload. So then what you're gonna wanna do when it comes to actually uploading these videos is go to YouTube, click on this button right here and click Upload Video. From here, when your video is uploading, what you're going to want to do is go to the visibility of this video and select Unlisted. And this is very important so we can do this correct metadata automation the right way. And once we have it as unlisted, then we just let this upload run in the background until we get a check mark on this box right here. So YouTube will check our videos for copyright or anything like that. And as long as everything's good, then that check mark button will become blue. And once you get the go ahead on that signal, it's time for the next step in this, which is going to be to go to the video, copy the link right here, and then go to TubeMagic and go down to the Warp Upload feature. Now this is amazing. If you go to this feature right here, you can paste in your video link just like that and click generate. What this is going to do is generate your titles, description, and tags completely for you. And as you can see, it gives you 3 different title variations along with thumbnails to see what it'll actually look like when you upload it to YouTube. And it's also generated you an entire description that's based on what you actually said within the video. It's not just making this up. It literally scanned through the video, which is why we uploaded it as unlisted, so YouTube could index that, it could make a transcript of it and everything to give TubeMagic and feed it the right information so it could write that keyword-rich description that you can simply copy-paste onto your channel. And also, it even gives you your video tags, which you can copy just by clicking that button right there. Boom, paste those into your tags on YouTube, and you've got an incredibly well-optimized video just like that using AI. Now let me let you in on a secret where everybody goes wrong when it comes to doing metadata correctly. They make each of their videos drastically different, and here's what I mean. They put drastically different titles, descriptions, and tags on every single video. And by doing this, they're not just losing out on views, their channel is literally not growing as much as it possibly could be. And there's a simple fix to this, which has been one of my top secrets for growing on YouTube, which I like to call similar metadata. The secret is to have a set group of tags that you put on every single video on your channel, have one paragraph of your description that describes your channel that you put on every single video on your channel. And by doing this, it will tie all of your videos together, and it'll put people into what I like to call viewer feedback loops, where they watch one video and then they get recommended another one of your videos in the top part of the suggested feed. So they're very likely to go on and click to watch another video and another and another. This can turn just a little bit of search traffic into tons of potential views. And that's because if your videos perform good in your own suggested video feed, they can also perform good in other people's, and then your video will get pushed out to suggested, and that's how you can just insanely blow up on YouTube. I've done this over and over again, and it works like absolute magic. And this is not to say that every single video should have the same exact tags and the same exact description. You're just doing a section of it that describes your channel as a whole to tie it all together. So when one video takes off, all of your other videos take off as well. Now at this point you might be saying, Matt, I see other popular YouTube videos that don't use any tags at all, yet they've still gotten millions of views, which is certainly possible to happen. But the thing about it is that these channels are already established. In order to grow on YouTube from absolute scratch, you want to give YouTube as much information as you possibly can about what your videos are about, and this is a simple hack and secret that you can use to do that. And by implementing this along with secret number 2, which is the GGB, you will be able to grow on YouTube 10 times faster. And I'll go as far as to say that you could guarantee your growth on YouTube. And that's what GGB stands for, the Guaranteed Growth Blueprint. You see, once you have 30 to 60 videos up on your channel, at this point you have data. And this data is so valuable because you can use it to guarantee your growth. Here's how. You'll go into your analytics, write down a bunch of different key points that I recommend looking at. I have a whole checklist that I go over to look at my analytics, and then improve based off of those with simple tweaks on future videos on your channel. And by doing this over and over again, you can essentially guarantee your growth because you're following a proven process and making your channel better and better, and it's a system of self-improvement. There's literally no way your channel won't grow if you do this, because you're taking the data that YouTube gives you and that, more importantly, your viewers give you, and you're making your channel better and better. So now you know that going viral on YouTube is within your control, and you can actually do this if you have that proven blueprint and if you know exactly what to do. And in my upcoming launch of my program, the Tube AI System, I'm gonna be pulling back the curtains and revealing this process in depth. I'm gonna give you that checklist on exactly how to analyze your analytics. I'm gonna give you my video optimization checklist, how to find the best keywords to implement similar metadata for those 5 to 10 keywords that will tie all of our videos together on our channel. That's coming in a few days, so make sure to keep out an eye for that. This is going to be the best training and community that I've ever released when it comes to making money on YouTube using AI. And in the next video in this series, I'm gonna be revealing what everybody wants to know. How do you actually make money doing this? How can you actually monetize AI channels in order to make this potentially financially viable? Well, I'm gonna be revealing the insides of my own business as well as many other successful people on YouTube, and I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can make sure that your AI channels get monetized. So you don't wanna miss the next video. I'm gonna be sharing the complete process with you. I know you're gonna get a ton of value from it. And if that next video is out, you can simply check it out next to me right here. It'll show you exactly how to monetize your videos and make money. I'm going to even show you a secret on how to make 10 times more money than most YouTubers using AI. So check out this video right here if it's out. If it's not out yet, just wait a day or two. It'll be out very soon. Check it out right here if it is though. My name is Matt Parr. Thanks for watching, and I will see you there.